That's where our camp is. This is where this Widowmaker came down. We're along the edge of a ravine in a highly populated area of the west coast of Canada. Doing some stealth camping over here. So you have to be very careful walking along these paths because sharp drop-offs to either side. Okay guys, we're going to get a wind event tonight. This is going to be fun. So we are just going into one of our favorite spots right along the ocean on a cliff. And they put up this fence here, but just right around over here. Not really a problem, so. Deserted camp. We have to do a little cleaning up. This is where we're going to camp, the windstorm. Guys, so let me describe to you where we're at today. We're on a finger that sticks out into the Pacific Ocean with deep ravines on either side. This finger is about where we are now, about 25 feet wide, and then it just narrows to a point once you get over the ocean. So So you have to be very careful walking along these paths because sharp drop-offs to either side. So I'm going to show you what's across the $1 million ocean view. So we've got the same view as those guys tonight. Another camp down there. Obviously this is a popular spot. That's straight down tip of a ledge along the Pacific here. There's the US, Washington State, across the bay. And we are going to do some high wind stealth camping today, if the forecast is correct. There's that other camp down there. They look abandoned. They're all thrashed. And you can get down to the ocean down this path. A lot of litter around here. All sorts of remnants of old hobo camps. This is the one part of the path you gotta be careful. Not sure what we're gonna do for a sleep system tonight. We've got some options, so we'll figure it out. It's a good camp, you just have to stay away from that lip right there. If you step over there, then you're down there with the old grocery cart and beyond. Okay, super weird find, guys. It's an old wig on top of a beat up old piece of foam that someone was sleeping on with their strawberry blonde fall. Okay guys, dusk is upon us. I think what we're going to do is throw up the hammock. There's a couple of perfect trees, including the one behind me and that one right there. So let's get that up and then figure out what we're going to do for dinner here. Okay guys, we got a beautiful hang here, really sweet. And yeah, this is gonna be perfect aside from all this garbage around. I mean, I should come back with a green bag, and I don't have one. Anyway, that would be the right thing to do. So maybe I'll do that tomorrow or something. In any event, this was kind of a last minute camp. I got the wind warning on my phone and wanted to get out, so didn't really have a chance to go buy any stuff for dinner. So we're in the middle of the big city. There's lots of restaurants around. I think we're gonna go hit a restaurant or a bar. The wind's not supposed to pick up till midnight, and it's only about 6 o'clock right now, so we've got some time. Go have a good time, come back. Hopefully the wind's roaring, and we'll experience that. Anyway, thanks for coming along for the journey, and hope you guys enjoy this one. And let's hope we get that wind. Oh, matron. Somebody's red hair. We're along the edge of a ravine in a highly populated area of the west coast of Canada. Doing some stealth camping over here. Hi, a soy garlic chicken, please.
Oh, the full soy garlic, right?
Soy garlic and French fries.
And do you need a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Typically, $32.81. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, so. Would you like some fork and napkin?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
How many forks would you like?
I'll have one fork and several napkins.
Thank you so much.
I'm also going to grab this. Are these cold?
Oh, we have Coke.
Yes, please. I'll have a Diet Coke.
Diet Coke? Okay. $2.18.
Thank you, Deborah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Have a good night.
Okay, and you have a good night too. Thank you. Okay guys, I got the Chico chicken. It's the greatest. I've had it before. We're gonna go down to the beach and do a rate my takeaway on this chicken. So you guys can see what's going on. Down to the beach. We're down at the beach, guys. We're gonna go find a nice little bench to sit on and do our Chico's. Is it Chico's or Chico's? Chicken review. We've got a bench right over here. Time to tuck in. This is going to be good. Okay. Let's get set up. Got the French fries. We've got a Diet Coke. Here's the star of the show. Delicious boneless soy garlic Chico's chicken. Try a piece of that right now. It's hot. So moist and delicious. On a cold night. Comfort food. Let's try the flies. Very nice, soft inside. Crunchy on the outside. going back in. I'm going to enjoy this chicken and I'll get right back to you guys. Okay guys, here we go. We're back at camp and the rain and wind has started. It's just after midnight now. And as you can see with the tarp, it's blowing and light rain. I haven't got a great tarp configuration up, but it's enough to keep the rain off. So, okay, we're just gonna get settled in here and we'll get right back to you guys. This looks like it's gonna be a fun one. That's us in the wind. So I'm gonna climb in there and see if I can get some sleep. It could be a challenge, we'll see. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the middle of the night, I'm sure, when the winds really pick up. We're probably only about 30, 40 clicks right now. They're expected to go 60, 70. We'll see. Cozy. It's nice and cozy under the tarp. Oh, I think my tarp's gotten loose. I gotta go fix it. One corner seems to have come unattached. Getting our windy vent. Starting to hear things fly around out there. It's really coming in off Boundary Bay.
No one in history that I've ever seen that's been attacked the way you've been attacked, and the way they've done it so coordinated and systematically. When you see those same people in the past,
There was a big deal being on Oprah's show, the last one, and I was like one of the last shows in that final week. And I said, boy, we've come a long way since that.
what was it like?
Okay, this is getting super crazy out here, guys. I hope you like this kind of video. And the Falcon's really putting it out there for you guys tonight. So appreciate you watching and having the time of my life. Love these events. Just great. Anyway, that's enough fun for me. I'm going to turn in. So good night, guys. See you in the morning. Unless something else happens, I think it's just going to be wind all night. And I'm getting pretty tired, so thanks for watching. Good night. Hey, guys. I have to get up for a slash coordinates. 2:24 a.m. The wind is still blowing. I think it's supposed to go for another hour or so and then die down. So sleeping pretty good under the circumstances, and I'm going to go back to sleep now and try and get a few more hours sleep. So good night for the second time from the Falcon. Thanks for watching. It's starting to rain a little heavier now. Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear that. The wind started to pick up again, but they seem to be high in the sky. They're not down low. Tarp's not flying around, but man, does it sound like it's going up there. So anyway, it's about 4:30. I'm going to continue to lay here. I'm just having a good sleep, so I'll check in with you guys in the morning. Morning, guys. It's a lot calmer now. Boy, those winds. That was quite an event. I don't know how high they got, but at one point they were whipping this tarp like there was no tomorrow. And now it's dead still. And that's exactly what they said it was going to come through from midnight till 6. Here we are, it's just before 8. And I'm going to get out of this hammock and figure some stuff out. Okay. As I indicated, I didn't bring a lot of supplies and stuff, so all I've got this morning is this bottle of water. I'm not ticking off the YouTubers' boxes as far as cooking with the Chico's chicken, which is what I'm going to end up having for breakfast, the leftovers. They'll be nice and cool in the car. And didn't even make coffee, just drinking water in the morning, but it's the way the stealthy Maltese Falcon has to roll sometimes. When you hear there's a wind warning, you get out there. And that's job number 1, which we did. Anyway, we're going to break camp, put all this stuff back in my rucksack, and then the light is going to get a little better here as the sun starts to climb over the horizon. We'll take a walk down to the ocean here and at the end of this ridge and just see what's going on. Okay, that is freaky, man. This crashed down in the middle of the night. I heard it from somewhere up there. That's where our camp is. This is where this Widowmaker came down. It's completely crossed the path down to the ocean. Holy shit. Oh. That was a close call. Boy, I heard it too. Came right off of that guy right there. And here's the houses that were across the ravine from us. Now, I think those things are worth about $4 or $5 or $6 million nowadays. They're just your average house around here is a couple million. So if you got an ocean view mansion like that, it's got to be worth a few bucks. Anyway, the rate we paid was what I like, and that is absolutely zilch for camp fees. Okay guys, I'm just nattering on at this point, so I think we'll call it a video. That was a fun one. And if you like these kind of things, stay tuned. We're looking forward to a beautiful winter event stealth camp season coming up here. We're just getting into November, and we're going to have some different types of events, hopefully some snow and stuff. So that's what this channel is looking forward to, and thanks very much for watching. If you like this kind of thing, please subscribe. Stealthy Maltese Falcon, out. Here's one last look at the ravine. We were up on that ridge on the right.